Ready, start. In Samant N. Balakrishna versus George Fernandez, 1969, 3 SCC 238, interpreting the interplay between clause B and clause D 2 of subsection 1 of section 100 of the 1951 Act, it was held that the corrupt practices are viewed separately according as to who commits them. Stop. The first class consists of corrupt practices committed by the candidate or his election agent or any other person with the consent of the candidate or his election agent. Stop. These, if established, avoid the election without any further condition being fulfilled. Stop. Then there is the corrupt practice committed by an agent other than election agent. Stop. Here an additional fact has to be proved that the result of the election was materially affected. Stop. In the instant case, as the allegations in respect of commission of corrupt practices are direct against the returned candidate, subclause B of subsection 1 of section 100 of the 1951 Act would get attracted, and therefore, it is not necessary for the election petitioner to demonstrate by averments in the election petition as to how the result has been materially affected by such corrupt practices. Stop. Thus, the contention of the returned candidate that because the election petition is bereft of pleading as to how the result was materially affected by the alleged corrupt practices, the election petition is liable to be rejected, under order 7 rule 11 CPC is devoid of merit. Stop para. Now, what is to be seen is whether the alleged conduct of the returned candidate in promising, executing, carrying out work projects, roads, etc. in return of promise by voters to vote for him amounts to bribery as per the provisions of subsection 1 of section 123 of the 1951 Act. Stop. In Ghasi Ram's case supra, cited by the learned counsel for the returned candidate, it was held that a corrupt practice involving bribery must be fully established. Stop. The evidence must show clearly that the promise or gift directly or indirectly was made to an elector to vote or refrain from voting at an election. Stop. In the context of a minister, it was observed, the position is different because he cannot cease to function when his election is due. Stop. He must of necessity attend to the grievances, otherwise he must fail. Stop. If every one of his official acts done bona fide is to be construed against him and an ulterior motive is spelled out of them, the administration would come to a standstill. Stop. In that background, it was observed that discretionary grants, part of the general scheme to better community development projects and to remove the immediate grievances of the public, would not amount to corrupt practices. Stop. While holding as above, a caveat was added, by observing that if there was good evidence that the minister bargained directly or indirectly for votes, the result might have been different. Stop para. After observing as above, the Supreme Court in Ghasi Ram's case Supra went on to observe that election is something which must be conducted fairly.